So we have another property for sale. This is an income generating property. So the size is 3,900 square meters. So it has an boarding house, 5-door boarding house. This boarding house is full. So daghan na puno to siya, guys. Tag 3,000 pesos per door. So it is located in Barangay Poblacion, Sagbayan, Bohol. So puno to. Daghan, no? So it's along National Highway, and this is the like the entrance. Mana siya, no? Including the what you call that, the boarding house. And they have 3 doors, pension house. So this is pension house or chikanana, no, inn or travelers inn. So this is 1,400 per 24 hours mo na iyang kuan, guys. So that is nice because it's really located in Poblacion. The good thing here, you can improve more because the owner has already the ECC. So natagaan na sila environmental compliance certificate from DENR nga makabuild sila og more improvements, houses. They have already the plans, no, mga plano, architectural plans of the property, because before they are going to improve, but now they're changing their mind because they are now planning to transfer for another place. So this like a hole, no, kanang ready for swimming pool na siya, guys. So it's already in the plan na siya sa plano, i-approve na gina sa DENR. So this is really good, no, for investment. So the price is 9 million pesos, negotiable, and it's kuan, guys, titled property. Clean title ni siya, pero wa pa lang gyud wa pa silbi na kuha nila ang titulo to pa sa process according to the owner, no. It's been already in the office, no, waiting na sila nga makuha na gito siguro basin po, no. So now we have a drone video for the property. So it's near to the Chocolate Hill. So imagine na mo nimo, no, there's a Chocolate Hills nearby. So that is the neighborhood, that is the National Highway, na makita na to. So walking distance to the town proper. This is good if you are wishing to have a pension house. You can buy this property, imo lang ning paliton, guys, then nihinay lang kag improve, including, no, the boarding house is really an income generating. So according to the owner, so if you want to buy, just make sure kay kanang if you want to ask more negotiation of the price, so kuan lang jud kuno, kanang serious lang ta mo hangyo baon sa mga kay nangyo ay magka-finalize ra sa presyo. So that's the kuan kanang sentiment of the owner. Kay daghan kuno maghangyo-hangyo, although there was already kanang mga sabot-sabot system to their friends that they are still in the outside of the country, then planning to buy this property, but still the kuan kanang gitawag og gipalabi pa nila ang kuan kanang prefer to have a first come first serve, no, mana they prefer who gonna be buy this property, kinsa gi makabayad og una. So mao gyud lang dawaton. So mao na siya, guys, no. It's really nice, it's really nice. Okay ra man sa pag investment. Imagine the size is 3,900 square meters. Let's say a clean title, then it's good for kuan, guys, really good for the business. Okay, for inquiries just contact me, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So kontak ka lang yun ko, guys, no. Okay ra sa ni kayo, no. You know, just 1 hour or less than an hour from Tagbilaran City, and 20 or 30 minutes drive from Tubigon, Bohol Seaport. So nindot na kayo ni pang investment. So okay na siya, guys, income generating. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.